Anywhere you go, if you don't see woman, no one negi bocha.
Bocha poso neba fulelele, la chaposo neba futileti. Obodo silike na ndi Igbo gabane, abanye bafu ebulike wekota. Ugochukwu nyela nyenya waka eji agano.
It's amazing to be back, especially with the year that we just had. You know, I'm really big on traveling and networking and meeting people, and with 2020 and COVID and how everything happened, you know, nobody did anything.
It feels great that science allows a lot of us to be vaccinated and to be together and have like peace of mind about it.
Coming into UIU 2021, I was looking forward to the community and coming with more people that I knew. I came with a lot of friends this time, and it just made it like a much more rich experience.
Just getting together with people and being in fellowship and just celebrating our culture in a time where there's just so much death and devastation. It's just nice to be in a joyful gathering.
What we've seen so far this weekend has just been nothing short of insane. We've had the largest numbers that we've ever had in any convention. You know, for a lot of people, you know, myself included, this is the first in-person experience I've had over the past year plus. But being able to come together and have this kind of rich, robust, you know, engagement and intimate conversations where you're seeing the people that you haven't seen, you know, for such a long time, and you're just making a lot of new friends when you haven't done a lot of that for a whole year.
Our culture is the beautiful thing. I love our culture, and being able to express that and celebrate that, I think is super important and amazing, because I have a lot of friends who see these kind of events and they're shocked because they may be from different cultures or backgrounds and they don't do anything like what we do. Even other Africans.
Favorite thing about UIU is being seen, just being in a location where people understand your jokes and your parents, and you know, you don't really have to try to relate.
My favorite part of this UIU convention would probably be seeing Flavor perform, because I am his #1 fan, so I had to be there in person.